hope you are doing great, and many congratulations that you completed the section 1, last section 1. In that you understood like what is iOS SDK, what is Xcode, and what is macOS environment, how you can create macOS environment into your Windows, you can save your 1 lakh, and all the things you are able to understand and you well understood hopefully. And thanks and many congratulations for your section 1. As a junior iOS engineer, I am just developing this course, basic course, and this basic course will give you a good confidence at the end. So first I created this section 2 today for you guys. We'll go with the section 2. In this section 2 I'm just choosing 2 things: Xcode Playground. As I committed, like, don't open the Xcode, just download it. We will proceed with the simple steps. So if you have the things and you are not using it properly, then this is completely waste, right? So in this section 2 I created for you guys, and I focused on 2 things only. I'll go there one by one. What you need to focus today, you need to now section 1 you completed this section 1. If anybody is there who is looking this video and as a fresher, then just go and just complete section 1 first, so you will be very comfortable over there. Section 2 I just set it on this Jaguar's head. Now this section 2 is saying introduction of Xcode Playground and Swift basic fundamentals. Don't worry about the Swift word and basic fundamentals. I will focus today in this video only Xcode Playground. So what is the Xcode Playground, and what is Xcode Playground, why it is first in learning, and how you can use it for learning. So this Xcode Playground you need to focus today, right? So without wasting time, we are going there. First you will click on this Xcode. Welcome to Xcode 11.4. I'm damn sure that you downloaded the newer higher version 11.5 with the whatever Catalina OS is going on. So beautiful thing is from the side of Apple is that, like, they are explaining each and everything in very simple manner, and simple things are very hard to make it right. So they are saying 3 options we have: get started with a playground, explore new ideas quickly and easily. Second is create a new Xcode project, create app, iPhone, iPad, Mac OS, Apple Watch and Apple TV, like that. It's very huge. I explained it's gravity already. Clone an existing project, start working on something from a Git repository. So like some freelancer, some company set up over there on Bitbucket and GitHub over there, existing code developers are worked over there, and some project is there. You need to clone this project in your desktop and you need to work on this. So this third option is for them. Second option is then once you will, like, you can't proceed on 10 or 15 kg dumbbell without practicing the 5 kg dumbbell, right? So first you need to focus on small things, then go slow, speed will automatically come. So first play with your machine circuit, so it's a machine circuit, and then go with the free weight exercise, as your gym instructors always used to say. So like that you can compare this thing. First you need to focus on Xcode Playground, first option, and then second you need to focus on your projects, right? And simply people are saying like, I need to jump on Xcode project. If you will directly jump on bench press of 100 kg, then you will not able to lift the weight, and you will feel pain over there, and very anxiety and very weakness feeling will be there. So it's a completely waste thing for me, and for what I'm just explaining you, because I have lots of experiences in that. If you are going somewhere in battle, just go with proper weapons. If you will go with lazy weapons, then things will be crash over there, right? So we'll focus on Xcode Playground. It's a beautiful thing for the Swift learning, for the language learning. So we'll learn the language first in section 2. So 2 things are there: Xcode Playground, and second thing is Swift basic fundamentals. So we will clear all this. I just want to complete all the Swift basic fundamentals as well with the Xcode Playground. playground. So once we'll click on the second section, this create project, we will go with the weapons. Like we have the knowledge of Swift basic fundamentals, and we have the knowledge of basic Xcode programming and all, Xcode features understanding and all, and then we can proceed with the project. Otherwise it will be very hectic for us, right? So I'm selecting this playground. What it is saying, as I mentioned, like this is the rich element, like tvOS, macOS, iOS, all the applications, all the apps you can design, all the flavor you can feel in the playground as well. So they divided this playground also in these categories. So now they are categorized this also in the 4 mini sections. Like for you are developing for games, maps, or what you want to experience with this playground, where you want to make yourself stronger. So I just want to make myself stronger in blank. Like I'm just selecting this blank because I just want to perfect myself. I just want perfection in Swift basic fundamentals, right? So I'm selecting the desktop direction, desktop path. You can select as you want, like you need to place somewhere, some beautiful place over there, like my learning, and then you can start your things over there, right? So it created a file, my playground file from the side of Xcode. What is this? Don't worry about this, I'll quickly explain you. These are your free weights, so don't worry about these free weights, just focus on the machineries, on the machine circuits right now. So this is your machine circuit, this is the editor area, this is your instant result area. This is your instant result area, and third one, it's hiding here. You can just open it, like this is your debug area. So it's for step-by-step process, as name is saying, debug. So it's a step-by-step process. You can just understand here what things I wrote and what are the effects on each step of my coding, of my programming, right? This is for them. This is for this, like I just want to investigate on each step. This is instant result, normal instant result I want, then it will be here. So as I just want to give you some flavor of this as well, so that you will be comfortable when you will go on the create projects. So as beautiful thing from the side of Apple, you will hold for 2 seconds, it will go and just give you all the result, all the information about this this button or icon, right? So this is the beautiful thing from the side of Apple, like it's a library. I'm not a god, so I have to learn each and everything. I recall all the things. It's not possible. So you can go and just check it out, like hold for 1 second, it will give you 100% hide or show the navigator. That means it's a navigator means navigator. From where it will come? From here it will come. It's giving you your selected file. So I selected this my playground file. It's giving me the result editor here. I can just edit this file here, and I can get the result here, and I can check the debug area as well for this file, whatever I'm writing. Okay, so I will go here. What is this? This is saying inspectors. This is saying I'm inspectors. So I have the bunch of inspectors. Those will inspect the things in different angle of particular selected file. So I selected this one by the selecting file navigator, and I selected this because it's blue. It will give the information of related file. So I selected my playground. My playground is the file relative groups where it is placed. Desktop path is this, and what platform I selected. I just want to focus on iOS, so I will focus on iOS platform, right? So whatever I selected, it will give you the result here. So maybe by mistake I selected tvOS. I can just check it out as a iOS platform, right? So this is the inspector, this is the show hide debug, this is saying you the file path, and this is saying library. Don't worry about that library. Once you will go to the project, I will give you the brief introduction of this. Just Go slow, speed will automatically come, and you will be the champion at the end. So don't worry, forget about this right now. So I'm hiding this, I'm hiding this, I'm coming on my real picture, like what you want to understand. Here, this Xcode, you need to be familiar with this Xcode Playground. This button, once you will click on this button, you will get a quick result here, Hello Playground. What are the two icons? These two icons are saying quick look, means what result is there. This is a simple string file. This import UI kit is nothing but a Swift language kit module where all the user interface objects are available so that you can play around with that. And this string is coming with the foundation framework of Swift. So by default it is there, so don't worry about this thing. I'll explain you each and everything. Now you need to focus, like this is a string, variable string, and it's giving you the result like this. If you want the result at the bottom of this string as itself, then it will print the result here as well. So it's saying this is the instant result, hide result, show result, right? And one more thing, if I am available or not, just go and just stay there for 1 or 2 seconds, you will understand this thing. So it's a huge software, they created very nicely. Go and just understand this thing, right? Quick look is saying, quick look, what is the result, right? So it's an instant result. Suppose I created where my value, something value, and it is an integer, and it's giving me, I'm setting it 5, right? So this value, if I want to, I will click on play, it will give me the 5. It will give me the 5 late, but yes, it will give me 5. It gave me 5, and I just want to check it out. This is 5, right? But what will happen once I will create some loop of like I just want to print some values over there for 5 times, then I just want to see like on each step what will happen over there. So this will fail there. It will give you the last step, final result, instant result with final result. So suppose I just want to give you example for I in, forget about whatever I am writing, just I am understand this thing. 5 times I am just looping something, 5 times I am looping something, and this loop will go 5 times, and I will take this string only, this hello playground, and I will append something into this string. It's this alert is saying like you are not using I. Yes dear, we'll use this, don't worry. So I'm just creating this string, and I am appending some I value over there inside this this string. So I'm just converting this integer into string. So this is the thing, like you can create like this, and you can place I like this, so it will be the string. Then I just want to print this result. So this print will come on the debug area. This print will come on the debug area. So from 7 to 10, this result will give me two results. One is instant result with the final output. Second is step by step output, right? Because I'm printing something. So once you will click, it's saying like what is the difference between instant final result area and debug area. This is the difference. Step by step investigation process for this debug area is there. So like suppose first on 0 it appends 0, then second time it came, it appended I value 0 1, then third time it came 1 2 3 4, fourth time it came 1 2 3, and last time it came 1 2 3 4. So all 5 time investigation you understood like my string is going like this, and its value is going like this, and it's uploading like this one by one, appending the strings like this. So what this result will say you, like it will directly say you like my final result is this. Okay, my final result is 0 1 2 3 4 5, right? So this is the difference, right? So this is the difference in this and this. So now some people are thinking like we are not able to create here UI and something like that, this and then. No, this is not the thing here. Import UI kit is there, and this is very powerful. You need to learn this each and everything, and you need to focus here only. So as I told you, first focus on machine, just build your muscles, do exercise, heavy exercise here, and then focus on bench press. It will be okay. Otherwise you will feel pain over there. It will be completely waste, right? So before creating any project, you need to focus on this playground. Here I will consume all the Swift fundamentals, Swift basics. There are a lot of basics, and still I just want to learn and focus over there. So we will proceed over there, we'll focus over there on each step, each thing we'll cover, and we'll be the champion at the end. That's what I'm just giving you the promise. So last thing here, like if you want to create some view, some flavor, so that you should not get bored, something like where I'm creating a simple view here, UI view object and UI view. If I will give you the all introduction here, then you will confuse. So my frame simple CG rect frame comes with things like x-axis will be 0, y-axis will be 0, 100 and 100. One square box I require here to show you like this is the powerful Xcode Playground. Here you can just create your UI as well, you can create your fundamentals as well, whatever practice you want to do, threading, multi-threading, all the advanced concept also you can just create here without creating any project, right? So suppose I just want to identify my view with yellow color or red color, something. So it's caps lock, sorry, red color. So now I just want to play, right? So it's playing on integer, it's playing on loops, it's playing on views as well. So UI view came. So UI, where it came? So I just want to check this came here. Right now it's not loading, but it will 100%, it will give you the result with the yellow background. So I am damn sure it will give you the yellow background, but it's not giving you right now red background. It gave, right? So it gave. Maybe it can be, it is taking some time to load because my machine is fully loaded with software, so that's why it's taking some time. So I will take care of this in next sections. So this view is saying like this: if you want to create some view and internal labels over there, you can place some labels also, like LBL UI label and UI label dot init with frame CG rect dot init and 00. Suppose I'm creating this 100 and height will be 30, and I'm giving my I'm adding this label on this created view dot add sub view to label, or you can give some title as well into the label dot text equals to kind of this thing, right? And you can search emojis as well. Suppose if you will go and check it out, some emojis kind of thing, so it will give you the rich thing. Ooh, it's taking some time. Suppose these things will place over there and you will feel good at the end, right? So I just want to play this again. At the 0 axis, this UI will be different now, right? I want to tell you the power of it's loading, but 100% it will load. That's what I want to tell you. Can you see this this emoji came here, and you are able to see this label here. So label, how label is going, this is also, you can see this I'm creating as a yellow label background, right? So label is placed on my view. Label is placed on my view. I just want to see the result now. This is yellow label and it's placed on 0 axis and 0 x-axis and y-axis, and it's placed over there, and this is my view, right? So like that. So you understood the whole things. So so as a fresher, like, you should not get bored, so I just play around with the UI views and everything. Otherwise the logics are so much there. You should be strong in logics as well. We will practice, and once you will practice a lot, your logics will be also strong. So in any programming or any project development, your logic should be very strong, your dynamic skills should be very strong, so that you can just complete your tasks very easily. Suppose one developer is completing it statically and he's creating 4 pages with the same UI, it's useless. So you need to create the same UI with a reusable thing, right? So you will hit multiple birds with one stone and your things will be okay. You will reduce your time, right? So you need to focus on logics first, then you need to take care of this playground, and you hope you enjoyed this playground, and I will come on next section. This we'll continue with this section 2 itself, and then now our main picture will start with the language, and I'm selecting Swift language rather than Objective-C. I will tell you why and what are the Swift power, what is the Swift power, and how this is very important right now in the Apple community, Apple family, and why we are going with Swift, and Swift basic fundamentals and protocol oriented programming. What is the difference between protocol oriented programming rather than object oriented programming, right? So thank you so much for watching this again. Hope you enjoyed this Xcode Playground. Be ready with this Xcode Playground. We'll focus on Swift basic fundamentals then, and if any of your friend or family member is really want to jump into iOS development, then this is the course which I'm creating for them, and here I'm giving my 100%. This is for junior iOS engineer course. Here I'm giving you the guarantee at the end you will able to crack any kind of iOS interview as a junior iOS engineer, and nobody is perfect in the world, right? Thank you so much. Thanks for watching this and keep supporting me. Thanks.